You all welcome back to African Colonization TV and Biafran History. Today's date is 21st February 2026. Concerning what happens recently in River State about the buy of a woman in at oil mill, where Asari Dokubo is trying to cause chaos among the Igbo people and the northern people in the north. As everything is going, he's trying to bring commotion, trying to bring problem between the Igbo people in the north. In fact, the Igbo people in Nigeria and the other parts of the country. As it is, this is a revelation concerning what is going on in the River State. So this man you are seeing here is a youth. Then now they have now come out, start saying the main truth, thing that happens in River State and how everything went through. So don't skip any part of it. Try to watch it to the end for you to understand and for you to see everything by yourself, how everything went. According to the headline says, no one can use us again against the Igbo people in the north. Hausa youth speak out. No one can use them again against the Igbo people. Hausa youth. They have now come out, start to talk about it. Because if you can see, since all those were Asari Dokubo and some of his men, they are trying to put everything to talk and try to bring confusion between the whole thing, and they claiming that Igbo they came to River State and they come and they start doing problem and here and there. So in fact, the guy Asari will say that is a government agent, those that is working against the growth of the people, those that is working against the development of the Igbo, because I don't know his plan and we don't know his plan. Anything concerning the Igbo people, anything that is about the Igbo that is progressive to the people, then he will try to bring asunder, he will try to bring problem, and he will try to make sure that they destroy anything Igbo have in any of the states. We don't know what is his benefits. So now this video, believe if you watch it, it will be a shame to him, because everybody that they have now coming out start saying the truth and they start saying everything the way they saw everything that happened. So as you're about to watch, like, subscribe, and make sure you share it to go and let others see what is really going on in Nigeria.
What is happening in Port Harcourt is a clear reflection of the dangers of generalization. Because tell me how, tell me why an incident will happen in Port Harcourt where majority of them are not Igbo people, yet you have people either in the comment section or making videos telling you that you should attack other people's businesses here in northern Nigeria. These people of Port Harcourt are not actually Igbo people. That's the truth of the fact. Now, on the other hand also, tell me how a Benue man who had an issue with someone from Nasarawa state, he's probably not a Hausa man, and the other one a Benue man who is a TV man, ended up creating chaos to the extent that the people of Port Harcourt are now generalizing that anybody from another region is an evil person, or is capable of, or has done violence to them, or is evil person. You see, that's the danger and the consequences of generalization. When you generalize for an entire region that so people are so people, similarly to our northerners up here, I think we should avoid generalizing, because the moment we hear that, okay, something is happening to our brothers in the southern region, everybody assumes that the Igbo people are responsible. I am calling the attention of those in Port Harcourt, southerners in the southern region, northerners in the northern region, whatever your tribe is and whatever your religion is, that avoid generalizing issues like this. Wait and hear the root of everything that happened. Wait and listen to what caused it, who caused it, and why, before you generalize. This is a video calling the attention of people of Port Harcourt to avoid generalizing anybody from the northern region that lives there. The Igbo people should also try to understand that this is a danger of generalization. They should also avoid generalizing issues in the northern region, because clearly something happened in Port Harcourt and yet northerners are trying to look at it as okay, it's Igbos that are doing this thing to them. I'm calling the attention of anybody from across religion, across region, across tribe. that we should avoid the generalizing. Let's call evil for what it is and appreciate good for what it is. And let's avoid the generalizing before we end up attacking or destroying someone who has nothing or little to do with what is happening.
Wetin concern Igbo people with wetin happen for Imi market on Saturday, Valentine's Day? Nothing concern Igbo people now. No be Igbo man dem kpai, no be Igbo man even kpai person. The person wey kpai no be Igbo woman. So wetin concern Igbo? I no be Igbo boy o, but I know they like injustice. I know they like some kind rubbish and careless talk. Nothing concern Igbo people for Rivers State. Nothing concern Igbo people. Wetin concern Igbo man? No be Igbo man dem kpai wey go say okay, na Igbo woman or Igbo man na him kpai person, or na Igbo woman na dem kpai. Nothing concern them o. They just dey neutral. So most my northern brothers, my Muslim brothers, muna no dey insert problem. Muna no dey find problem for where problem no dey. No be Igbo man wey kpai person. No na brother wey kpai Benue woman wey cause this problem. See, I want to call on you guys, the Arewa, Meti Allies breeders, the Arewa youth, the northern elders, muna educate una people wey dey for the south. Muna educate this abuki dem, make dem know how to live with people wey no be Muslim, wey no be northern people. Muna learn, make dem learn how to relate with people, how to live with people.
Asare de Kobo, Smarty Apple Protocol is in IPOP. Smartin IPOP. What Igbo do you as Asare Kobo? What Igbo people do you? Now I won't know. Tell me. What Igbo people do you? If I call you pig now, I say I don't insult either, but you don't insult yourself. You're a big pig. Big one. You're a big pig. You're a big one. What you concern IPOP with what happened for Port Harcourt? Now IPOP is key Hausa people. Smartin IPOP, Smartin IPOP, Smartin Igbo. What IPOP do you and what Igbo people do you? I don't say it is serve your master now. You never tired to serve them. You never tired. You're a big fool. Big one.
Asai Dokubo is a madman. He is a crazy person. I told you that this man is the architect of sit at home in Southeast. People are still doubting it. He mentioned there, he said IPOB, then he mentioned Igbos. He mentioned Igbos. What does that tell you? That tells you Igbo is Igbo. If you like, be a politician in Nigeria. If you like, be a lover of one Nigeria. If you like, don't be. Once you are an Igbo man, when the day comes, they will single you out if you're not ready. Stop deceiving yourself. Hey, I love Peter Obi. I love Obi Kubana. Hey, that's your business. If you want your Biafra, go and follow your Biafra. I'm not Biafra. I'm Igbo. I love one Nigeria. I love whatever you think you are, wherever you think you are, whatever group you belong to. You are an Igbo. You cannot hide from that. You cannot run away from that. Asai Dokubo has shown all of you today that you people are one single-handedly. He did not call about the politician Igbo. He did not call Uzodinma. He did not call this governor. He said Igbos. Both the ones who are twerking for Tinubu, both the ones who are clapping for Buhari, all of them Igbos. Can we now wake up as an Igbo? Can we now wake up to see that Nigeria is not for the Igbos? This event, is it not enough to show that Nigeria must divide? Because they are trying to brew another war. These people are satanic. They will go any lengths to put Igbos to the sword. But they have failed this time because we are ready. I am telling you honestly, we are ready to defend ourselves and our territory. The days of propaganda and lies against Igbo has passed. Now is Oha for Oha, pound for pound. Not only you own the media anymore. See Asari putting camera and trying to broadcast to the world what Igbos are the ones that did this in River State. Igbos are the ones that killed Hausa people. Igbos. What concerned the Igbo with Hausa markets and their watermelon and what they're selling? Onion Sanko. It's now Igbos you want to twerk on. God will punish all of you. All of you. This is the reason I told all of us to wash our faces against propaganda, because you see this video now, many people will go and start believing it. If I did not come out here to show you the real news now and show you the fake news, many people will still go ahead and believe it. Igbo people are stubborn. Ndi Igbo na Port Harcourt. Igbo should respect the owners of Port Harcourt. Ndi Igbo na Lagos. Respect Lagosians. Igbo people should stop claiming Lagos as your own. Respect Lagosians. So respect your land. As if we cause trouble outside the country. Because you listen to fake news. That is why you can say that. That is why you can tell Igbos, if you go to anywhere, respect the land. We always respect our people. We always respect our hosts. We always. Don't tell us that Igbos be good, go River State. Have you seen Igbos cause problem with their hosts before? It's when you listen to fake news like this, you will now start calling your brother in Port Harcourt. Because as mind your business, mind your business, don't start finding trouble in River State. Obago just entered. Obago. Once you start advising your brother in Port Harcourt or in Lagos, know that you have listened to fake news for believing that Igbos cause violence in the other states. You have believed it, that means you have listened to it. Whenever you see it, it is a lie. I've told you. If Nigeria tells you your name, deny it. It's not true. Your enemy can never tell you the truth. Today is Monday now. If Nigeria tell you today is Monday, Oga, Madam, it's not true. It's not true. It's not true. Today is not Monday again. Because Nigeria said it's today is no more Monday. Something must be wrong somewhere. I'm telling you how far these people can go to destroy you. They will first come. They will lure you. They will lure you. All the things they are doing, they should just easily give us Biafra. Easily, just say it. Say the word. We don't even want to be anywhere in Nigeria. Say the word. What is in Nigeria? Igbos are all over the world conquering. What is in Nigeria? The Benue and Hausa had issue. It turned out to be Igbos. Nigeria, well played. Well played. Share this video. Let your brothers and sisters see the wickedness of the contraption called Nigeria. And let the world come and see how they roped Igbos in things and how they tried to rope Nnamdi Kanu as a terrorist. This is the same propaganda they use as unknown gunmen to frame Nnamdi Kanu and to frame Igbos up.
Ohaneze Ndi Igbo worldwide has strongly reacted to comments made by former militant leader Asari Dokubo, saying his recent statement could cause serious ethnic and religious problems in River State. Recall that Asari Dokubo, in a viral video clip, had accused Igbo people living in River State of attacking Hausa Muslim communities and trying to turn the state into a religious and ethnic war zone. Ohaneze clearly rejected these claims. The group said there was no attack by Igbo people on any Hausa or Muslim community. According to them, the incident that happened was a criminal matter between individuals, not an ethnic or religious fight. They explained that the problem started from a disagreement that led to killing of a thief man from Benue State by a wheelbarrow pusher from Adamawa. Ohaneze said it was wrong for Asari Dokubo to turn that sad incident into a story of ethnic violence. They warned that such statements can create fear, anger, and confusion among innocent people. The group said Nigeria is already facing many challenges and tensions. They stressed that no one should make statements that could increase division or cause violence. According to them, words spoken by influential people can easily lead to panic or even revenge attack. Ohaneze also made it clear that Igbo people of River State are peaceful and law-abiding. They said the Igbo community has no plans or involvement in any attack against any ethnic or religious group. Ohaneze called on all leaders and public figures to speak carefully and verify facts before making public statements. They reminded everyone that justice should be handled by law enforcement agencies, not by emotional or ethnic reactions. They ended their message by urging all communities in Rivers State to remain calm and peaceful. According to them, peace is very important, and no group should allow rumors or careless talk to destroy the unity of the state. The group emphasized that Nigeria has suffered too much from violence caused by rumors and hate speech. They called on everyone to avoid statements that could bring more trouble to the country.
Hi, welcome back. So like it is now, anywhere Asari is now, like he is now in shame. Now his own full name now is a shame, because all his plan did not just work out. The Hausas and many other guys have now realized and discovered that all he said yesterday was just full lie, and he can never do anything that will make them to go against the Igbos. That is what they said. If you listen to the first guy, although the first guy won my heart, because that man just spoke like an elder. He did not spoke like all these uneducated morons that were here talking yesterday. If someone now say something about anybody, what you should do first is to verify if the thing that he says is just true or lie. But these guys from the Hausa, they never verify anything. All they started yesterday was just to start saying that every southern person who has a shop in the side should start relocating from their side. Although when I saw that, I got disappointed, because I never knew that this same Hausa that the Igbos claim to love could ever do such. Because when you ask an average Igbo person that from the north which tribe is the best, what they will tell you is the Hausa. I've always seen a Igbo person praising the Hausas, always. That is why when this thing happened, I never knew. Although that should not make you stop praising those good ones. Like the first guy who talked here, you should keep praising him, because that guy is just like a leader, because all he said is just important. He's not like this Asari who is just trying to cause issue. If Asari has the same sense and mentality that this guy has, nobody would have come out to even insult Asari. But since he has no sense, everybody now start looking down on him and insult him day and night, because no one is scared of him anymore. What I should just say this thing, although I don't have any too much talk on this thing, because that first guy now, I'll just say everything that I should say. Like, this is a generalization of a thing. This is not the first time I'm telling you about this. You see what this thing now wanted to cause yesterday. Although, what I should let you guys know is this. I mean the Hausa, I'm talking to you guys today. See, if anything's happened, we know how painful all this thing is. So when you hear something that okay, they buy your person in this also place, and you never understand how verified that is, and jump into those things, that one does not make sense. So what she just been doing is this: whenever Asari come out to tell you guys anything, just trying to reach out to him and ask him some question, because even him, the Asari who say this thing yesterday, he may have forgotten. No, he can, or he may just put you guys into trouble and have his own way to go. You know that he doesn't have anything like business to do, so you can say whatever thing you say. And you, the Hausa now living in the southeast, and you, the Igbo living in the north now, like Asari just come and cause issue with the both of you guys, and you guys business will just cross like that, and Asari will continue gaining his own money from the pipeline that he just been monitoring. So it is the both of you that should just be wise in this game, because Asari knows what he's doing, because he has always been someone who is advocate of scattering things, not trying to create or resolve issue. That is him, so you should know him well. That is what I can say for now. And for you, if you have anything to let us know, you can just drop it below. And also, if today is the first time you come in here, please kindly like, subscribe. Thank you.
Oh yes, it's a very nice something. Everybody that speak in this video, they speak very well. And Sari Dokubo, a pig that does not know what he's looking for. Or I would say, after he watch this video, it will be a shame to him that all his plan has failed. All his plan. And we don't know what is benefiting from this chaos. Every time he's trying to bring the Igbo ethnic group against the North. Every time. And he don't, and he is the person himself that start broadcasting that news that Igbo, they are the one that buy that person before the northern group start saying something. It is Asari Dokubo, and then now he's still talking. He's a fool. He's a big fool. He's a sign to show that he's a traitor. Anybody that is saying that Asari Dokubo is good, or is supporting you, or is fighting for your freedom, or is fighting for you, he's not fighting for anybody. He's fighting for his own pocket, and he's trying to bring problem between the north and between the south. The south they are talking about is between the Igbos, because according to what is happening, the way everything is going today, this issue of banditry, Boko Haram, Fulani men here and there. No, if you look very well, they are not attacking Igbo the way they are attacking other places. So he's now trying to bring problem between the Igbo and between the Hausa, so that there will be a little misunderstanding or a little attack between each other, as for now. So, but all his plan has failed. It's a big shame to him. It's a big shame to him. Because that man, I would say, is a devil that is using him. It's a devil that is using him. And he's very jealous. Jealousy will kill him. Somebody that is too jealous of the progress of his brother used to die in shame. He's too jealous that the Igbos, they are progressing more than him. And they are progressing more than, because he's a fool. Somebody that does not have head cannot progress. That is his problem. So Asari Dokubo is running away, and he's trying to hide. He's trying to hide under a grass that will never shade him. So that is what he's doing. He's trying to hide under a grass that will never protect him. So, well, I would like you to watch the video concerning the issue of Asari Dokubo and the issue of US soldier, where they are threatened. But now they have now said that no matter any place Asari Dokubo goes, they are ready to in fact to bring him out and to fish him out. So don't skip any part. Try to watch to the end for you to see or for you to understand things happening in this country.
As my people, how are they? Yeah, Asari, stop doing all this propaganda you're doing. Let me tell you, America have everything, every data that is happening in Nigeria. America have it in their palms. They have it. President Trump have everything in their palms. Nigerian government are bribing you. They are just bribing you, telling you to do video, to rope IPOB inside it. Let me tell you, IPOB is not terrorists. They are not terrorists. IPOB are not terrorists. They are only protecting their fatherland, which is ESN. Eastern Security Network. They are protecting their mother's land. They are not terrorists. They are protecting their mother's land by Fulani terrorists, aka bandits. They are not terrorists. You are just in China. Nigeria government is trying to, because you see where Americans are dropping where we are dropping all the whole aircraft that want to use and destroy your brothers. Now you are not trying to rope IPOB inside by saying, oh, they come to Port Harcourt, they do Muslim this, they do Muslim that, they kill them, they buy Muslim, they do this, they do. All is lies. All what they are doing, we knows, everybody knows. They knows, everybody knows, the world knows, Israel knows, America knows, even Britain knows. They know all what they are doing, or they know who you are. You are Asare Dokomat. When you say A today, tomorrow you say B, next tomorrow you say D, next tomorrow you say the same thing. You are just a chameleon, we are belly face. That's where we know. So stop all this your propaganda. It will not lead you anywhere. I have asked you to make a video. Insult China. Why they demolishing mosque in China and converted it to public toilet, and see what is going to happen to you. Now you are not trying to rope. Yes, America will never drop anything in Southeast. America will not drop anything in Southeast because they know that Southeast are peaceful area. They are ESN is only protecting their mother's land. They are not buying anybody. So all what you are doing, you are wasting time. As the idea now, Nigerian government have sent some money for you to add and buy more goods. So you to make a video to rope IPOB in. You can never rope Igbos in on this. You can never rope Igbos in on this. Asare Dokobo, you are wasting time. I'm telling you, you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. You understand? You are wasting your time. You are just running your dirty mouth.
No single Igbo man was involved in everything that happened in Rivers State. It is the Igbo people who stood up and say, we don't want Hausa or Fulani, but Asare Dokobo have come out now to instigate war between Igbos and Hausa people. I'm a Muslim also. I go to mosque. I go to church. Wherever I want, I go. I'm not a religion tribalism. My name is Mustafa Bilal. My Christian name is Christian. But Asare Dokobo, you are an old man that will soon meet your ancestors. So when you leave this world, what are you going to tell them? Which legacy are you leaving on this earth? You are leaving a legacy that you have boys that can destroy people's life. But you don't have boys that can give job to the jobless. You don't have boys that can feed the motherless, that can help the community grow. Only what you brag with is that you have a voice that can take people's life. The other time you went to hospital in Asia, it's Igbo people that push you in your wheelchair. They greet you when you arrive in the airport. They respected you. So look at a man that Southeast governor called to give security of Southeast, a man who does not even like Igbo people. Asare Dokobo, I'm talking to you as a prophet. If you don't repent from these your scandals, enemy manufacturers, the God Almighty is going to discipline you. The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. Asare Dokobo, give your life to God. You join Muslim because you need power. It's not that you love the Muslims. It's because you need power. And you have got the power. But you are using that power to oppress the poor. Change your life, my brother. There is no gain in all these things you're doing, okay? You are a matured man. Change your life, my brother. Keep a legacy that when you leave this world, people will remember you for good things. Not people remembering you that you have AK-47 to take people's life. Change your life, bro.
Asari Tukumbo. Asari Tukumbo. What do Igbo have to do with what happened in Rivers State? I beg. I just want to know. Must you guys involve Igbos in everything that happens in this country? Every bad thing, you guys want to involve Igbo. The one that concerns them, the one that does not concern them, you people must surely involve Igbo in it. Kedin Yobo. Kenye Busobunu, what is on a problem? Achomema. Mmadụ na-agazukwu n'ụzọ like ụjọ na-atụ ya maka na ọ bụzi onye Igbo because enwere ike ịtụga aka ọjọọ. What is it? Ndị be anyị na-agba nkịtị. Everybody should pick up their phone and ask Asari Tukumbo, what do Igbos have to do with what happened in Rivers State? If you're an Igbo woman or man, you guys should start tagging Asari Tukumbo picture. Ask him what concerns Igbo with what happened in Rivers State. Asari Tukumbo, leave Igbos alone. Get out. We don't even need you. Get out. Lost. Make una carry this man go psychiatric home. And you say no. Make una carry this man go meet Ifeanyi Abala where they cure mad people. Una say no. Una no want tie this man. Una no want tie am now where the madness just they start small. Every time old papa, old man, like let me say 40 years old Tukumbo will just set camera, come out, they talk waiting no consign am. The one way concern and the one way no consign am. What do Igbo have to do with what happened in Rivers State? I want to know. I want to know. Onishi, I want to know.
Hey, welcome back. To those of you, the Asari supporters, who are saying that where is the evidence of when Asari is threatening the Igbos? I'm here to show you the evidence today. Just watch the evidence here.
Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're listening to me. IPOB supporters have invaded Rivers State and on our soil had killed, destroyed the properties of Muslim Northerners. Muslim Northerners for a crime committed by a Christian. Mosque 6 were vandalized. One mosque was burnt down, was burned and totally vandalized. When I heard the information yesterday about Muslim being attacked, in fact, it was a Christian relation living at Obibo that called me that oil mill is an old area, Northerners and others were fighting because an Aboki killed a Christian. And immediately I reached out to members of the Northern community. Immediately, I started making calls. And most of them were unaware of what was happening. In fact, I don't want to mention their name, but one of them told me that the person is lying. There is no such incident. And immediately, he said, I said, look, try to find out. And immediately swung to action. And he later called me that indeed there was a riot going on and Northerners are being attacked. And he was in a position as the leader, one of the leaders of the Northern community to immediately do something about it. So I urged him to immediately do something about it. I called some security officers immediately to alert them, which they told me they already know, and they are trying to put mechanism in place to stop what was happening. Finally, in the night, because my phone kept ringing and we kept talking. Finally, in the night, I got one of the northern leaders, one of the Arewa leaders, who told me that two Christians fought. One from Benue, a Tifi man, and the other one from Adamawa. The one from Adamawa, two Christians. The one from Adamawa stabbed the one from Benue to death. Immediately, the Igbos around took it over and started a Aboki must go protest. Destroyed all the shops owned mostly by Northern Muslims. I don't think there was any Christian shop that was destroyed. An attack mosque, vandalized the Oyemi mosque, attacked the one mosque, and it is feared that people must have been captured and have been killed. Two Christians fought. One Christian stabbed another Christian to death. Because they are from the north, immediately it became a fight by Igbo's element. When we will react, they should not turn our state to battlefield. If they want to fight their war, they should go to their own state. We will not allow it in our own state. Because when we will react, we will do that. Why? By that time they will run. You can run anywhere. You can't turn our state to battleground to fight your ethnic war, to fight your religious war. River State cannot be converted to a battleground. We are warning you now, because we will not take it from you. We are warning you, we will not take it from you. Enough is enough. It is not Rivers people that reacted. The Arewa Consultative Forum in the north, in Rivers State, had issued a statement, had come out openly that the two people involved in the fight were northerners of the Christian faith. And the one from Adamawa stabbed the one from Benue to death. So how does it concern Muslims? How does it concern us? When they were attacking the Muslim, do they distinguish between Yoruba Muslim, Ijaw Muslim? Every Muslim was attacked. Just because we say la ilaha illallah, we are Muslims, we were attacked in our own space, in our own state, by strangers on our land.
Oh yes, this man is a very big fool. He's a pig. This is the video that he made, and then he starts. He's the first person that started broadcasting that it is Igbo and the North that is fighting in the River State, and that is when the northern people, the northern youth, some of them, they start reacting. He's the first person, and then if you go down to the River State, thank God that everybody that was there when everything started happening, everybody have now come out, start saying the truth, start saying the whole thing, how everything went through. Then we don't know the aim of Masari Dokubo, and we don't know the aim trying to cause all this type of problem. I would say that it is having a very big problem because of the East is very calm and very cool, more than other parts of the Nigerian country. So, and the Igbo, they are not trouble people. They are not people that will go to a place and start making trouble here and there. So we don't. It has been a problem to him because of every section you are seeing, everybody you are seeing around, and then you find Igbo there, you will not hear any trouble. But he's trying to cause trouble. He's trying to bring trouble between the Igbo ethnic group and the other ethnic group in Nigeria. So it's a very big shame to him. The government need to caution him already. I would say he's working for the government, and then somebody like this is the person that used to come out after he speak everything. The government will pay him because the government they won't let it be problem everywhere. Even though if they find out that a state is calm or a place is calm, so the next thing they will try to bring somebody that will be causing problems so that everybody will be running away from each other. So that is what they are using it for. He don't know where he belongs to. He don't know if he belongs to APC or PDP or ADC. So he's a man of a confusion. Masai Dokubo is a man of confusion. Just everything he said here, he just a man of propaganda. He don't know what he's doing. That is what I have to say. Well, I would like to hear your comment. I mean, what do you think about the whole thing happening in Nigeria? Like, subscribe, and make sure you share it with people and let others see and hear what is happening in the country. We say thank you for watching.